Oh yeah, let me do the interview.
Okay.
Okay. Lala, I'll speak in Tagalog. Lala Jean. I'm trying. I'm thinking. I don't know how to speak Tagalog anymore. Anong feeling mo marrying someone mas babata sa'yo?
Good.
How bata is bata? How many years?
How many years, Lala? 5 years? Lala, you're old. I mean, you're young. Lala, you married the older woman. So, Dad, you say it. You say it. Dad. He's deaf.
What you
Ay,
say?
explain mo.
Dad, you say it.
Asawa ka kami di. Bakit?
Yan anong sabi mo daw? What can you say daw?
Hindi say about that.
Yeah. Bakit older woman?
Bakit daw?
Abay ka mo, hindi ako.
Di bakit?
Di bakit? What?
Old,
What he say? What he say?
walang bing daw, walang bing.
Walang bing makulit.
Makulit.
Ah.
No bisyo, walang bisyo. Doesn't smoke, doesn't
Lola?
drink. Yeah, never.
But Lola does.
Oh, there's no eye.
Yeah.
Problem.
Oh, is it next question?
Next question.
But Lola has something to say. He's like, I'm tired.
Service being a police. Police.
Lola. Dad, I don't know how to speak Tagalog. You help me.
Ilang taon ka naging police?
Oh yeah.
1969.
Oh my God.
Entered in the police.
How many years in service?
30 years and 9 months.
Wow.
Mango shake is so fresh.
Ooh, not that.